This presentation is about comic books and how you should view them in your collection in the library, the advantages and the disadvantages, and some other issues that you need to be aware of. For advantages, they're inexpensive and they will appeal to teens, so that means that they will come to the library. They also help with reluctant readers. They'll usually pick a comic book over other books because they're easier to read. They like the pictures in it. It helps the more visual readers. They address important issues like acceptance and prejudice and that kind of thing, so that the kids can feel like they connect to it. And they help readers explore other literature, and it helps them give an appreciation for different art and art styles. But they aren't very durable, and sometimes you as a librarian might be familiar with them, so you might need some assistance in picking them up. And you also might have pushback from other staff members or parents in the community because they might not think that a comic book is a real book. When you're getting your selection criteria, you need to think of a couple of things. Can you get sample copies? Will they be popular with their students? What's the publisher's reputation? Marvel versus DC kind of thing. Those are more well known. Is the content appropriate for the grade level? Is it available in a trade back paper book collection? Because if so, you want that versus the tiny ones. Like I said before, it will attract the kids to the library. Place protective laminate covers over them if you're not going to circulate them. If you are, buy the paperback versions. Look into subscription services through EBSCO or local comic book review stores. Look at the material before you put it out. And as for copyright, they aren't really specified in the fair use guidelines, but you treat them like a picture book, so 2 pages can be copied, as long as it's not 10% of the book. And those are my references.